Hello friends, as Chemistry Institute has promised that we will be updating you with the latest information. So the council has shared few guidelines for writing the online examination for semester 1 for ICSE and ISC in the month of November. The guideline says that the child can opt either from the school or from the home to write the online examination. In both the cases, the parents need to provide a consent to the school. Then the second most important thing is that the child needs to use the device. Whichever device the child is going to use, the child has to give the information well in time before the commencement of the examination starts, most probably by the coming week, to the school, that whether they will be using a laptop or a desktop or a smartphone, any device which they are using, they have to use the same device throughout the examination. They cannot change. The microphone and the camera of the device, whichever the child is choosing to write the online examination, needs to be very, very strong. And the most important thing is that it is the responsibility of the child and the parent to have a strong network connection. If they are writing the examination from the home, then the parents need to have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If the child chooses the school, in that case also the parent needs to provide a dongle or a proper mobile data which can suffice the need of the examination, whether it is ICSE or ISC. Then there should be a backup for the electric current. Of course, in school there will be a backup, but if the child is writing the exam from the home, then in that case also, it's the responsibility of the parent to have a backup for the electric current. At no time during the examination, the current should go off. The connectivity should be a constraint. All that issues need to be sorted out well in time. So these are the upcoming guidelines for the examination which are going to start in November. Then we come to the practicals. Practicals for class 12 will be offline. The school will be informing well in time to the students, and during their theory examinations, they are getting gaps. They can have the practical examination in between or after that. This is the entire discretion of the school, which the school will be deciding as many number of practicals the children have done. Based on that, the examination can be conducted. The visiting examiner can be informed about these information that these many practicals have been done. So the practical exam will be out of those. So I hope this session was fruitful and it will be helpful for you all to decide that which venue you will be choosing, whether your home or the school to write the examination, and which device you will be using. The only thing, children, is that whatever you decide, take your time and decide. It should not be a haste decision. It should not be affected by what your friends have decided, because area to area, the network creates a problem. So, keeping all these important points in mind, just remember, this is a mark sheet where you have to design it. It's in your hand how beautifully you design your mark sheet. And for designing this mark sheet, you need very good marks. So you cannot afford to lose the marks just because your friend said something or your mentor said something. You need to decide, you need to see the condition and work according to it. So I hope this session was good. And with this, we come to an end. Any information coming, we will be sharing again. Thank you.